Several weeks ago, DJI updated their Go4 app, and in the release notes, we were told we'd be able to change the speed during flight for hyperlapses. However, after a little bit of investigation and a call to DJI, we quickly found out that this would not be enabled without a firmware release. Well, today, that firmware release is out. So I fired up the app on my iPhone, and sure enough, the new firmware update is available. As you can see in the release notes, there is our magical feature, which is the ability to make a selection and adjust the flight speed and duration for hyperlapse. So let's get this thing installed and go off for a flight. All green, which means that our firmware update has been successful. So before, whenever you went to circle hyperlapse, the only thing you were able to control was the interval as well as the overall video length. You had no ability to change the actual flight speed. However, with the new firmware update, this is all a thing of the past. Because now, in addition to controlling how often pictures are taken, as well as the entire length of your video, you now have the ability to go in and say, how fast do I want the drone to be moving during that flight in order to make either a slower overall hyperlapse as far as the speed, or a much faster one or a much zippier one. And to tell you the truth, that's a feature I absolutely positively had to have, because I don't always want a hyperlapse that kind of feels as though the drone is kind of moving in this really slow, methodical manner. Sometimes I want to use it as B-roll and just get a quick, fast clip. So let's let the Mavic 2 do its thing in the air and then take a look at our finished footage. Okay, so the footage is being downloaded to the phone, and this is the before. This is what the hyperlapse looked like without being able to control the speed, or normal speed. And this is the footage we took today at 2x speed. So go install that update and get up in the air and start flying. And if there's anything that I missed, just leave a comment down below and we will get on it. Happy flying.